Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. When you're neck deep in lines of code, battling cryptic error messages, you need a good laugh. That's where memes come in. Let's dive into the top 10 memes that capture the tech life. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a classic. The dog at the computer, eyes glazed over, surrounded by lines of code he doesn't understand. We've all been there, staring at the screen, lost in a sea of brackets and error messages. This meme captures that feeling every programmer experiences at some point. It's a reminder that it's okay to be confused and to embrace the learning process. Next up, a meme that's a rite of passage in the tech world. You've poured hours into your code, tested it. Everything's running smoothly on your machine. But the second you share it or deploy it, boom, doesn't work. And then comes the inevitable phrase, "It works on my machine." This meme captures the frustration of dealing with compatibility issues and environment discrepancies. Cloud computing. It's everywhere, revolutionizing how we store and access data. And it's the source of some great memes. This one cuts to the chase, reminding us that behind the jargon, the cloud is just servers owned by someone else. It's a funny way to demystify a complex technology. Plus, it highlights the importance of data security and the trust we place in these providers. This meme is about the clash of perspectives. On one hand, the programmer is deep in technical weeds, thinking in algorithms and data structures. On the other hand, the user often has a simpler understanding of technology. This meme highlights the communication gap between those who build technology and those who use it. It's a reminder for developers to strive for user-friendly design and clear communication. CSS. The language that promises beauty, but often leads to unexpected and sometimes hilarious results. This meme captures the love-hate relationship with CSS. It gives you the power to create stunning web pages. But small changes can cause cascading effects, throwing your design out of whack. Git, the version control system that's become the industry standard, is a lifesaver for developers. Until you run into a merge conflict. That sinking feeling when you see those dreaded red lines, signaling a clash between branches. You're thrust into resolving conflicts, carefully merging changes, hoping you don't delete hours of work. Debugging. The process of hunting down and fixing errors in your code is often compared to detective work. But this meme takes it further, showing that as a programmer, you're both the detective and the perpetrator. You wrote the buggy code, and now you must solve why it's not working. The dreaded 404 error, a code that signifies a web page can't be found. We've all encountered it, that frustration when you click a link, only to be met with a blank page and those three little numbers. This meme takes that universal experience and turns it into a relatable joke. Stack Overflow, the Q&A website that's a lifeline for programmers worldwide. Stuck on a coding problem? Chances are someone on Stack Overflow has already asked and answered it. This meme pokes fun at our reliance on this invaluable resource, solving even the most baffling coding conundrums. And finally, we come to a meme that's a nostalgic nod to the beginning of every programmer's journey. Hello World, the first program you learn in a new language. It's a rite of passage, a sign you're entering the world of coding. This meme celebrates that milestone with humor. That's it for our roundup of the top 10 hilarious programming memes. Hopefully, these memes gave you a good laugh and reminded you that even in tech, there's always room for humor. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe for more tech content, and comment your favorite meme. See you in the next one. See you in